Assalamu alaikum. I am Colonel Agha. I am presently General Manager Operations at Patient Shade Foundation. I am at present talking about mabzi. It's an organization with which I came across about 5 to 6 years back, and that is where we started learning from them the importance of clean water, may it be for medical uses or may it be for home use or call it daily consumption. And I've always found mabzi was always forefront, always a spearhead organization to promote clean drinking water and up to the mark water for medical uses like dialysis, etc. And I'm all praised for mabzi. Thank you very much.